Hello, my friend. Good morning, or maybe good evening, or good night.
Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back.
Welcome back to our English practice channel.
We are very happy you are here with us today.
Yes, very happy. Today, we will talk about something simple, something important. Your morning routine.
Yes, your morning. What do you do in the morning?
Do you wake up early, or do you wake up late?
I wake up early. I try, but sometimes I sleep again.
Ah, yes, sleep again. Very real. Very true. Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to the channel.
This helps you learn more English every day. Okay, let's start.
Let's start with the first question. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Oh, nice. You wake up at 7 a.m.
Yes, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
Every day?
Okay, not every day.
That's okay.
Now listen and repeat. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Again, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now you try. Good job.
Good job.
After you wake up, what do you do? I get out of bed.
Yes, very good.
Listen, I get out of bed.
Again, I get out of bed.
Sometimes I don't get out of bed fast
Oh, why?
because my bed is very soft, very comfortable.
Ah, dangerous bed.
Yes, very dangerous. After I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom
Yes, me too.
and I brush my teeth.
Listen carefully. I brush my teeth.
Again, I brush my teeth.
Do you brush your teeth in the morning? Yes? Good.
No? Please brush your teeth. After that, I take a shower.
Oh, yes, very important. Repeat after us. I take a shower.
Again, I take a shower.
Sometimes I take a cold shower.
Cold? No.
Yes, cold. It wakes me up.
I like warm water. Very warm. Almost hot. After my shower, I get dressed.
Yes, I get dressed too. Repeat. I get dressed.
Again, I get dressed.
What do you wear in the morning?
Maybe a shirt? Maybe jeans?
Or maybe pajamas all day.
Hey, no judgment.
Now, breakfast.
Yes, my favorite part.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Oh, nice. Repeat. I eat breakfast.
Again, I eat breakfast.
Sometimes I don't eat breakfast.
Oh no, why?
No time. I am late.
Ah, I am late. Very common. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning. Repeat. I drink coffee.
Again, I drink coffee. I drink tea.
Tea is nice too.
Coffee or tea, both are good.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I leave the house.
Repeat. I leave the house.
Again, I leave the house.
Do you go to work?
Or do you go to school?
Say it. I go to work.
Or I go to school.
Okay, now let's practice.
Answer these questions. What time do you wake up?
What do you do first?
Do you brush your teeth?
Do you take a shower?
What do you eat?
Great job!
Now listen to the full routine.
Listen and repeat.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I get out of bed.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I leave the house.
Together, this is my morning routine.
You did very well today.
Yes, very well.
English is easy when you practice every day.
Small steps every day.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
And what do you eat for breakfast?
We want to read your answers.
Yes, we read all comments.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye.